new Kia XCeed 2023 features enhanced interior with high-tech features. A floating touchscreen infotainment system stands apart from the dashboard, while the lower portion of the instrument panel provides a set of touch-sensitive buttons, dials and switches to control audio volume, heating and ventilation. Highly ergonomic in layout and functionality, these controls have been redesigned to improve interaction and enable drivers to make quick changes to the cabin environment without taking their eyes off the road. The new Kia XCeed comes with engaging new graphic themes for the 12.3-inch digital cockpit, and the designs can be linked to the vehicle's drive modes. Luggage capacity for the new Kia XCeed is rated at 426 liters, and with the rear seats folded, luggage capacity grows to 1,378 liters. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this interior, and subscribe for more.